folks, it's Joe from Seattle Leather Research. Today I'm stoked to be doing an unboxing of the Jackson Wayne vegetable tan leather field notes holder. Super excited, just got this in this morning. So let's take a look. Okay, my receipt. And a little bit about the company here. This is super cool. We've got leather care information. Looks like they're doing a bit of a giveaway if you share some information on social media. It's always a nice little promo. And a little bit about the Jackson Wayne story. So this is a super cool, little high quality. It even came with a handwritten thank you note. Now, I will say that this is not a high dollar item at all. I think this retails at $65, and I got it for a bit of a discount because apparently it's got some additional scuffs on it as a natural part of being full grain leather. So we got a lovely little kind of bag here, cotton bag. Let's go ahead and open this up. Oh, awesome. Really nice. Tell that vegetable tan is just silky smooth. Really nice finish on it. And you can see, I guess, yeah, there's a little bit of some kind of a scrape, little scab looking thing right there. That must be the reason for the discount, but I'll take it. See some discoloration there. Must have been some kind of a, wound on the hide or the animal itself, but all in all, it's gorgeous. It's got the nice vegetable tan kind of burnished ends here. It's the Jackson Wayne logo kind of imprinted on the back. I've got mixed feelings about kind of big logos like this. I'm glad that it's on the back, of course. I think it's it can be nice. It's a good looking logo. So definitely very excited to use this. Let's see, 100% full grain leather. Here we've got a little pin holder and the actual field notes workbook. So this is pretty small, but will be kind of a nice thing to sort of take notes throughout the day while I'm at work. This is very cool. This actual Field Notes brand, I did not know that was a brand. I thought it was just a type of notebook. So that's great. I know where to go to order more. All in all, a very beautiful leather. Kind of does have a little line on the back here. Looks like a bit of a crease almost, but again, really not too worried about that. I think that's something that would come with just use anyway. So I was very happy to take the the $15 off. Yeah, I love it. Very happy with it. I'm sure I will use it quite often, and we'll toss it in my saddleback leather backpack as I go to work each day, and use this for notes and meetings and other stuff. So super cool, great product from Jackson Wayne. I'm excited to continue to learn more about their company. Again, full grain, cowhide, vegetable tanned leather from Tennessee, which is great. I spent a little bit of time in Tennessee myself, and it's cool to support kind of an American-made, an American-based brand. This is great. All right, thanks for watching, guys.